Hi there, let's make a card with some strips of paper and a die cut image. We have a card base that I'm folding in half, and I'm going to take that card front and just slice 1 inch off of that. And so we're going to use this strip of pattern paper that's 5.5 inches long and just glue it on the inside of the card so that it shows when your card front is closed. And then there's this thin strip of coordinating cardstock in that blue, that light blue, and I'm gluing that so about 1/4 inch shows behind the front of the card. So I have another strip 1 by 4 inches, and I'm just going to flag the ends, and I'm going to adhere that to the bottom of the card front about 1 inch from the bottom. So next we're going to take the card label, and this can be any shape, and I'm using some light colors here, a light green, a sea foam, and I'm stamping a leaf image and then a eucalyptus image in the blue, and I'm overlapping those stamped images for a really fun look. And so to add a sentiment, I'm taking a piece of scrap paper and just stamping that, and I'm going to fussy cut that or cut around it. So if you enjoy card making videos, be sure to like and follow Ink and Inspirations. Now I'm going to apply this with a dimensional adhesive and pop that up on the front of that stamped circle. So now we just need to place that on the front and applying dimensional adhesive to make it stand up off the front of the card, and adding a little bow, and then we're going to put a few embellishments in that light blue to finish off the card. So visit inkandinspirations.com for more ideas.